Hi student, how are you? Welcome to social study class. Now I am asking one question for you. Where we all are living? Yes, we are living on the earth. Now we are going to see lesson number 1. Okay students, unit number 1, our earth. What is the topic? Our earth. Next, earth originate. Earth originate. Millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. Millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. It created numerous stars and celestial bodies, means sun, moon, stars, and planets. These celestial bodies together called universe. Millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. Explosion. Explosion meaning outburst. Explosion meaning outburst. It created numerous stars and celestial bodies, means sun, moon, star, and planet. These celestial bodies together called universe. Then next point is Earth is the third planet on in the solar system. Earth is the third planet in the solar system and fifth biggest in the planet and fifth biggest in the planet. Shall we move now next pages? Universe. It consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteorites, and natural satellites. Then second point is the exact size of the universe is still unknown. We can able to not count the universe. So exact size of the universe still unknown. Then third point, scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. Universe. What is the topic? Universe. What is the point? First point, it consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellite. Natural satellite means moon. It's called moon. Okay. Then exact size of the universe is still unknown. The third point is scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. Okay, students, shall we move on next topic? Galaxy. Galaxy is collection of the solar system. Galaxy is a collection of solar system. Then second point, galaxy has a huge cluster of stars. Many groups of stars are there. Then second point is galaxy has a huge cluster of the stars. Many group stars are there. Then third point, there are billions of galaxies in the universe. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Then last one, Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies. This is the galaxies. Okay, the Milky Way is one of the countless. We cannot able to count. Okay, so Milky Way is one of the countless billions of galaxies. Solar system. Okay, I am asking a question for you. How many planets in the solar system? How many planets in the solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets. There are 8 planets in the solar system. What is the first one? First planet name is Mercury. The second one is Venus. The third one is Earth. Fourth one, Mars. Then fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Then eighth one, Uranus. Seventh one, Uranus. And eighth one, Neptune. Then Pluto is a dwarf planet. Okay. Next. Okay. Next we can see the solar system consists of. There are many. The sun, the planets, the moon, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets. There are living. Okay. There are many consists of the solar system. Then next point, 8 planets in our solar system. 8 planets in our solar system. Outer gaseous planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the spelling Jupiter? Jupiter. Jupiter. Saturn. 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 Uranus. 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 Neptune. 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 The next inner rocky planet. Inner rocky planet. Mercury. Mercury spelling Mercury. Mercury. Venus. 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 Earth. 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 And Mars. Okay, now first one, you can see first one. Outer gaseous planet. These are outer gaseous planet because it's full of gases, which filled with gases. Then next, inner rocky planet. Okay, inner rocky planet. Why this called inner rocky planet? Because filled with rocks. Okay, so this planet called inner rocky planet. Then outer gaseous planet means what is this? Filled with gas. So this planet called outer gaseous planet. Then inner rocky planet. What is the outer gaseous planet? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Then the inner rocky planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then we can see next topic. Terrestrial planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. What is this? Mercury. Mercury spelling Mercury. Mercury. Venus. 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 Then Earth. 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 And and Mars. 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 Terrestrial planets means Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Okay, students, next topic is frozen planet. Okay, frozen. Uranus and Neptune is a frozen because these planets are very cold. Because these planets are very cold, so it's called frozen planet. Okay, children. Now, once again recall this lesson. How to create this Earth? Millions of years ago, an explosion. Explosion means outburst. Okay, millions of years ago, an explosion called the Big Bang occurred. It created numerous stars and celestial bodies, means sun, moon, stars, and planets. Then these celestial bodies together called, what is this? Universe. These celestial bodies together called universe. Universe consists of billions of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and a natural satellite. Natural satellite. Satellite means what is this? Moon. Okay. Then next, the exact size of universe is still unknown. Okay. The scientists believe that the universe is still expanding outward. Okay. Then solar system. How many planets in the solar system? There are 8 planets. Okay, what is it? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, then next. Solar system consists of sun, planets, their moon, dwarf planet, asteroid and comet. Okay, how many? 8 planets in our solar system? No. Okay, now outer gaseous planet. Outer gaseous planet means filled with gas. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, this planet is called outer gaseous planet. Then inner rocky planet. Inner rocky planet means what? What is it? Filled with rocks. So this planet is called inner rocky planet. Then terrestrial planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then frozen planet, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, now we can go and see the fill in the blanks. Okay, the distance between the Earth and Sun is dash. What is the answer? 150 million kilometer. What is the answer? 150 million kilometer. What is the answer? 150 million. Million spelling million. Million. Kilometer kilometer. Kilometer. The distance between the earth and sun is dash. What is the answer? 150 million kilometer. Dash is caused due to revolution of the earth. Okay, revolution of the earth. What is the answer? Day and night. Day and night. Then, how many planets in the solar system? 8. How many planets in the solar system? 8. 8 spelling EIGHT. 8. Day. Day spelling DAY. Day. And night. 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 That has huge cluster of stars. What is the answer? Galaxy. What is the answer? GALAXY. Galaxy. Okay, once again I'm asking question. Have to say the answer. Okay. Okay, children. The distance between the earth and the sun is dash. What is the answer? Okay, very good. 150 million kilometer. Then second one is caused due to revolution of the earth. What is the answer? Day and night. Very good. How many planets in the solar system? 8. 8 planets in the solar system. That has huge cluster of stars. What is the answer, student? Galaxy. Very good. Very good. Okay. Remaining lessons after next class. Okay. Thank you.